In a bustling city, dog owners were struggling to keep up with the demands of their furry friends. Between work, social obligations, and daily responsibilities, there just weren't enough hours in the day to give their dogs the attention and exercise they needed. That's when a group of enterprising dog walkers stepped in to save the day. Meet Sarah, Tom, and Lisa. They're passionate dog lovers who decided to turn their love of animals into a business. They started off just walking dogs for friends and family, but soon realized there was a real need for this service in their community. We noticed a lot of dog owners were feeling guilty about leaving their dogs alone for hours on end, Tom said. And that's where we came in. We provide a reliable, professional, and caring service that gives dog owners peace of mind and gives their dogs the exercise and socialization they need, Lisa added. Their business quickly took off, with more and more dog owners in the area seeking out their services. Sarah, Tom, and Lisa have been a lifesaver for me and my dog. I don't know what we would do without them, said a happy dog owner. Now, Sarah, Tom, and Lisa are looking to expand their business and hire more dog walkers to keep up with the demand. If you're a dog lover with a passion for exercise and the great outdoors, they want to hear from you. Join their team and help give dogs the love and attention they deserve.